Hey folks, Mr. Quinn here with another IXL talk through video. Today we are going to be looking at the skill of evaluating variable expressions. So this is going to be combining two things that you already know about. Variables, which are those letters, those unknown quantities, and some really basic order of operations, which is the process that we use to solve problems. So if I look here, I'm going to be given an expression, which means I don't have an equal sign, but I need to figure out and kind of work my way through to decide what this would be the value of. Like, what would it be if I substituted in? So I can see that t is equal to 4. So all that means is that I have to take this 4 and I'm going to slide it up here to where that t is. And I'm just going to write right over top of it. So now I have the problem of 4 times 4. Pretty straightforward. So if I know my math facts, I get 16. If I'm not sure, you can type it into the calculator on your phone, whatever you think is going to be the easiest, but I'm going to say that 16 is my answer, and I'm going to click submit. So that's the basic gist. You're going to go through, you're going to substitute first. So wherever you see G, that is where the value of the variable is going to go. So if it is equal to 9, I'm going to substitute in 9. So I have 18 divided by 9, and we should all know that that is 2. Calculators are allowed if you need them. I'm really trying to assess you on how you do with the substituting and the evaluating, not necessarily your basic number sense skills. So let's jump ahead here to a higher level question just to make sure that everybody feels comfortable and confident about what is being asked of you. Remember, you're substituting in and you're just going from there. All right, so let's jump into the challenge zone and let's see what one of these questions looks like. All right, obviously it's gotten a little bit larger. So at this point, it's not just a basic 4 times 4, so you're probably going to need to write something down. So in this case, I'm going to start by rewriting the expression, except I'm going to include the value for Q. So I have 232 plus, and then I have some parentheses here, 679 is what Q represents. A little laggy there. Divided by 97. Now, I'm a math teacher, and off the top of my head, I have no idea what 679 divided by 97 is. So I'm going to take out my calculator, and I'm going to use that resource. I could give you an estimate of what I think it's going to equal, but it's a pretty simple answer. It equals 7. So use those resources that are there for you to help you understand what those correct answers should be. So I'm going to write 7 because I'm working my way down, like I've learned through order of operations. And I'm going to add that to 232. Now, obviously, you guys are going to be writing this on a separate piece of paper. I'm just doing it on the screen, so it's easier for you to see. So 232 plus 7, can do that part of it in my head. That's going to be 239. So I'm going to go ahead and type that answer in, 239. Going to hit submit, and we are done. So I hope this video helps you guys out. I know you're going to do great.